Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make Sungtanchem Suke. And you all will enjoy this. I'm going to show it in a very simple way. So you don't need much effort to make, and it's a simple recipe. So let's get started. In order to make this, I've taken prawns, which is 350 grams. First thing what you have to do is, once you get them, wash them, drain them thoroughly, and then apply quarter turmeric powder teaspoon, and then salt is to taste. Once you mix them, set it aside for at least 20 minutes. So let's get started with the cooking process. Once the pan is hot, what you have to do is add onion. I've taken 2 medium sized sliced onion, add 3 slit green chilies, 4 of small dry mangoes, and 5 of kokum. Now if you don't have a mango, you can also use kokum only. Add water. Guys, check this out. This is no oil recipe. It's a healthy option. I'm not using any oil in this. And mix this. Salt is to taste. Mix it well. Keep it on a slow flame. Let it simmer. Cover this and keep it. Let the water dries up. Let's check this. Now keep the flame on medium. Now I'm going to add prawns. Mix it well. The reason why I said keep the flame on medium is once you add prawns, it reduces the temperature. Let this cook for a while. Now keep stirring it once you add prawns so that it saute evenly, and in order to avoid getting it stuck from the bottom. Check this out. This water is about to dry up again. Now I'm going to add half a cup of grated coconut. Saute this in a medium flame only for another a minute, and this is ready. Guys, check this out. These are ready now. I'm going to turn off the flame. Guys, check this out. This is how Sungtanchem Suke is been made. It's a simple recipe. I have not used much of the ingredients. You can try this recipe at home. Everyone will enjoy this, and it is a delicious one too. It is very tasty. I have tasted it. Thanks for watching the video. God bless you all, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.